Are you tired of using your brain to make phone calls?
Yes, sir.
Are you tired of sending emails and faxes over machines larger than your home?
100%.
Are you tired of doing both separately?
I already said yes. Ow.
Would you like to be able to walk into any boardroom meeting and be the coolest man on the block?
No
I got something for you.
Introducing the new NetLink ConneCtor PDA. Its strength is providing a hybrid cellular PDA experience. Move away from the 90s and say goodbye to the Backstreet Boys, VHS players, and Freddie Prinze Jr.
This is 2001, baby.
You can now browse the web and listen to music during your meetings. And if you want to be a responsible adult, you can even check your emails and take more important notes on the new ConneCtor PDA.
And this can all be yours for the lucrative price of $4.15.
Don't miss out, you need this. Just look at the Maslow hierarchy. You're hungry for the PDA. If you're ever in trouble and need to call 911, you need the PDA. You feel like you don't fit in, you need the PDA. You want to feel better about yourself, you need the PDA. And it's the best thing for you.
I'm Miss Brittany. Please come back, baby.